Here's the top. I think the man I'm really clean. So this was now the second time changing the head gasket after blowing the valves. So shy shortly serious. Mechanical to me. One thing about me is that I'm passionate about this job, man. So that's the reason why I don't give up, and I'll try to learn as much as I can, and I'll try by all means that I'm actually using my cars to learn this. So I'm not ashamed of this, but I take this as a learning curve. Let's go drive this is so manifold out. So this is what we are busy with. Jane, this is the head. I had to take this top to engineering because already the valves were bent. So that's what I've done. So unfortunately, I don't have the video of that. I had the new head gasket on my hand together with the new bolt for the heads, because I was informed that every time you change the head gasket, you must always replace the bolts as well, because the bolt, they tend to snap, especially when they are now old. Things I don't know. I just bought this car. I don't know how many times they've done this using the same bolts, so you'll never know. You'll just see them by snapping, and which is something that you don't want to see. So one thing that I had to do is to buy this new bolt, all 10 of them. So here I was just checking if it's the same size, and it's the same. Everything is just the same, using also the same span as well. So yeah, no, with this I'll recommend also to everyone, whenever you change the head gasket, make sure that you get the new bolts as well, so that you don't go through that. Sometimes it's better we learn from other people's mistakes than you learning yourself. The same way as I had to learn with my own mistakes here. I didn't even know how the bent valves look like. Not to me, just the same. That's how I thought up until I had to go through this experience myself. So yeah. Yini lento? Ushwalete. So kuba sadlunyana so. Yeah, no. This is something when there's the compression ngabe khona. I bet. Yeah. No, lebe ine-metal pin ifike ihlala ibambe kahle isinqwa. This one yetilengela nje. Ngabona basebenzisa gasket ngikho manje abangani baboyisa i-tube gasket yakutshala ukuthi ngikho. Neloyani yakhona kodwa bathini? Lapha lento imoto atifani futhi. Yebo. Certain cars nje kuneloyani yawo. La kule mali yani
piston.
Yeah. The rest of
Ipipe lafuna silikorisela phela muvaya. Last time when it's not there uliphume ngale tu. Manje nje sesifaka silicone ngale tu.
Phela manje ngikuhluphe manje ayike nento yokuhlupha. Icaleni besihlushwa kunayo into ibhizi mova. Manje. Bamba nje ufaka lapho. And kumele simake sure leti inzambo leti kude le pinye kako.
Inzambo statisa le koni. Kuzana le brush la.
So this is what will make sure we see this gasket doesn't move.
I wanna manje already say no more.
And apparently they shouldn't behave in the space near. Really bad, like.
Protect the little fire. It separates water and oil, everything. Pressure. It's kind of the oil between us. The oil come over.
Okay.
I tell it.
I'm sure it's enough, but what's up?
Oh, I'm not.
And as far energy, I have to use a subway.
I want to see that.
You know what I'm coming like.
Do you have to see the corner? Yeah, I will find the corner.
I thought about a Wi-Fi.
Hey, I don't know the Wi-Fi. I'm working in the Wasaka. When is it that was as no come out? Internet mounting into Wi-Fi. That's when we put my garage of a fall bush. I can't show for some machine there. I'm thinking some machine. I'm following the singles.
Oh yeah, it's back. Kazo. The black lena watching the two early gardener. But let's be silly row. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Talk mfana took to speed. I khona la into fika khona uyive ukuthi ithethe incinga kancane yabo. Ungafostile ke lapha. Yeah. Titi. Yeah, it took cringe le.
Need wash.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's bad. Fast.
Yeah. I have to digital na pa bukan sabi. Both hapelectrina mafalo.
Ngasa fast ngaloko phela. Ngaphula ngaloko lokuncane.
Kaba to show ukuthi vele tino kumele tichange wona mthemba. ngoba kuyakhathala.
Nako lokhu ngiyakusawa lo movie. Ngathi original.
Yeah.
Ngakufasa kakhulu ukuthi ba.
But kungcono ngoba kusenkahle. That's the
Maya. Aya, full it zalo.
Cheka lesha. Shikre. Aibo. Ai pumelile bud.